A terrifying vibration
What's that?
shakes British Midland Flight 92.
There's sort of grinding noises and smells in the cabin.
What is it, the engines?
It's obvious that the crew were pretty rattled by this.
I'm thinking, we've got a serious problem here.
One of the worst crashes in British history has a stunning cause.
It's very difficult to accept that such a basic mistake could be made.
And changes commercial aviation forever.
The learning points from this incident have been game-changing.